Hello, my name is Ken. Welcome to Summer House Plans and Designs, presented by Shed and Garage Plans. In this presentation, I am going to show you where to get the best summer house plans online. With plans, diagrams and schematics like this, laid out in clear, precise detail with easy to follow step-by-step instructions. All of the diagrams are drawn with the CAD system, which is computer-aided design, allowing for exact measurements and dimensions to be produced, so no more guessing with lengths and cuts. Whether you are a professional builder, carpenter or a DIY person, anyone can build one of these summer houses. With so many designs to choose from, let your imagination run wild. When you purchase your plans from Ryan Henderson, you will also receive these 4 exclusive bonuses, packed with the latest up-to-date information. Bonus number 1, Advanced Woodworking Tips. After many years in the trade, I want to pass on ideas, different woodworking techniques and the tips of the trade for the beginner or the experienced craftsman. I will show you how to make minor adjustments in the planning and setting up to give your projects the big wow factor, allowing you to build your summer house easier and faster. Number 2, Magic Modifications. Learn how to change and modify any of the dimensions of the plans, which will allow you to fit your summer house into any space or area you choose. Use the worksheets to get precise cuts and exact lengths. Number 3, a complete up-to-date list of suppliers and wholesales. Find any materials, tools, equipment or woodworking supplies anywhere. Need to find that rare exotic wood for your next project? We can help you with that as well. Number 4, the best one of all, 400 woodworking plans, laid out in detail, with step-by-step instructions. Fully detailed diagrams with correct dimensions, with all material lists supplied. So, let's get started on your summer house project. Click on the link below to go directly to our page, or head to our site at shedandgarageplans.com and click on the summer house link in the bottom menu.